On and shift our focus to another important update we are getting for you, and this is about the Delhi liquor case. What we have learned is that CBI has approached Supreme Court in the Delhi liquor excise policy case. CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, has filed a caveat in top court. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Deepankar, joining us live right now for more on this. Deepankar, what's the latest here? What is it that the CBI is now asking for?
Well, yes, the Central Bureau of Investigation has now approached the Supreme Court and has filed a caveat application in this entire case. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal and all the other accused, and some of the other accused have approached the Supreme Court in a case where they have challenged the orders that have been passed by the Delhi High Court in this matter, and have also sought the matter to be transferred from Justice Swarnakanta Sharma, who's hearing the matter in the Delhi High Court, to some other bench. In those cases, a caveat has been now filed by the CBI, saying that this matter should not be heard without them, and no order should be passed by the Supreme Court without hearing the Central Bureau of Investigation in this case. So now this matter, whenever this matter will be taken up, whenever this matter will be listed before the Supreme Court, an intimation will be sent by the Supreme Court to the Central Bureau of Investigation to appear before the court and argue their case in this entire in this matter and put forth their arguments. On the other hand, in the Delhi High Court, remember, this matter is being seized off, where the Central Bureau of Investigation has approached the Delhi High Court and they have challenged the order discharging all the accused in the Delhi liquor excise policy case. And in that only, there was a transfer petition that has been filed by Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, and a few other accused, saying that there is an apprehension of unfairness by the judge, and for that they have moved the Supreme Court. So a caveat application has also been moved in that.
When can we expect the next hearing in this particular case? Any indication on that front? And where can we really expect the things to move?
Well, as of now, the update over here is that this matter is actually in defect. The petition has been filed, but the filing section of the Supreme Court has marked certain defects in the petition that has been filed by the accused persons in this case. And until and unless those defects are solved and those defects are cured, this matter will not get listed. So we will have to wait as to by what time these defects are cured by the petitioners in this case, that is the accused persons who were named in this case registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and only then this matter will be listed before the Supreme Court, and then the matter will be taken up for hearing. But whenever it will be taken up for hearing, this caveat application that has been filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation makes it important for the Supreme Court to intimate the Central Bureau of Investigation that the matter has now been listed, and to ask them to put forth their arguments in this entire case.
Right. Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your input on this story, Deepankar. Heading into another short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.